Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to create the REST APIs in the REST. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the Actix-Web package to your REST application. So first of all, go to the crates.io and search Actix-Web. So Actix-Web is a powerful, pragmatic and extremely fast web framework for the REST. So we have to use it at any cost. So copy this and run it to your this directory. So here you have to paste it and run this one, not this one. Just copy this. Okay, then you have to run this cargo Actix-F, so it will add the library into your cargo.h.toml. So here you can see that it is added, right? Moving to the next part, let's go to the code level. So what we have to use, okay, so here we have the main rs file. If I go and just check run cargo, run over here, so let's take a look with the address is already in use. I think there is a issue with this. Open a terminal, cargo run. Okay, now if I go and check the postman, we have the API endpoints. Let's take a look. This is for that one. Let's run this. Is it working with this one? So here we have this and run this. So welcome to the REST API. So this is get request. If I go with get by users, there is would be another API, that is this one, users one. Let's use this one. Okay, so here ID theme and the email is coming, so the REST API is working fine for us. And this would be the post request, so this is would be the HTTP users, and then this is with the JSON record. If I go and just check over here, right, and make a post request and go to body with raw with JSON, and here I'm going to add it this one. Okay, so it should return all the data as it is. Okay, so here you can see that id2 ls and the email. So three request REST API, that is get by user by id and the post, all is working fine. Let's dive into the code level then. Okay guys, first of all, import the required Actix-Web components, okay, which require get, post and the web app. HTTP response we require HTTP server and the responder. Okay, import the search traits for the JSON serialization and the deserialization. So we have imported search underscore JSON for the JSON part. Okay, so define the struct to represent the user. So we have already defined serialize and deserialize. Serialize we are using convert the struct to JSON, and opposite JSON to the struct for the deserialization. Okay, first of all we have to create the endpoint like this, and function implement responder. Okay, and respond with a JSON object containing a welcome message. So how we can do that? Just HTTP response, okay, dot JSON and the message. So this is JSON is basically we are using from this third underscore JSON part. Okay, so it will convert the JSON one. Okay, the next one, get the endpoint to fetch the user by ID. So this is how we are going to create that endpoint. Okay, so first of all, from the URL you have to get extract the ID, and then create the dummy user with the given ID like this and return that one. Respond with the user as a JSON. Okay, done, easy. Next one, that is the endpoint for the post request. So this is post request, and here web JSON user automatically deserializes the request body into the user struct and responds with the same user data that we have to pass into the JSON format with HTTP response, created JSON and the new user. Okay, the next one, that is the main entry point for this application. So we have, because we have to start the application, so for this we have to go with the required a macro to run the async main with Actix-Web. So the last one we are using the Tokyo for that one. Now Actix-Web main component. Okay, so we are going to print that the server is running. So start the HTTP server with the HTTP server new. Okay, and here we have to register the get post request there with the function. Okay, now bind the server to the local host 8080. Okay, so here we are going to bind it and run the server until it's stopped. Okay, done, easy. So this is how you are able to create the REST API, which is very important for the backend part, right? I hope you understand what exactly we have done. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and the next videos would be like the full CRUD operations with the database, I guess. That would be very much helpful for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.